Bitcoin is pumping like crazy. Altcoins are going completely crazy, but Bitcoin could be find a local top very soon before having a significant correction. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you how high I think Bitcoin could go after our Christmas rally at the end of the year and when I'm expecting a more significant correction, maybe 20 to 30%. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to be discussing with you Bitcoin long-term, short-term. I'm going to show you a little bit about Altseason, what's going on. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We post one video about crypto trading every single day. Guys, you can see BTC doesn't want to stop to go higher. You can see the altcoins going crazy. BTC going almost to $98,000. What really wants to break that 99 $100,000 mark, and I believe with this seasonality right now is definitely possible. But right now, guys, the volatility is insane. It goes up and down as well as altcoins. So of course, if you know what to do, if you know how to trade, that you can really take advantage of the volatility and make lots of money. For example, guys, like our VIP group, you can see that over here trading results every single day. You can see our members, guys, posting this like crazy results, crazy results, guys. We haven't missed a trade for a long time. Look at this, 480% Farhan, 346%. This is completely crazy. You also can see our pro member, guys. For example, Shellcat hasn't missed a trade for a long time over here. Jeremy, the last 7 trades, all in the green, guys. This is the power of our community. We have trading calls, Bitcoin, really analysis every single day, altcoin analysis. We have also altcoins long term. So whether you are a trader, you are an investor, guys, if you want to take advantage of Altseason, the VIP group, guys, is the way to go. If you want to join, link in the description. But now let's go back into BTC and let's see where we are right now. So at the moment, what I can see from here is that we have to be very careful because we are reaching a point where we could be seeing a more extensive correction. When I talk about extensive correction, I talk about something like 20-25%. And the reason being is because you can see from here, guys, if you connect these points over here, the first point in this area, to this point in this area, and then to this point in this area, around this square over here, you can actually see that there is a matching with the 1.618 Fibonacci, the 2 Fibonacci. So once you're going to basically go and match these areas over here, and then you take a fractal, which has started in 2023. So we had a fractal coming this way over here, and you apply this fractal up to this area over here, it brings you exactly around this area. We're sitting right now at 110 to 115 $1,000. Why am I saying this could be the local top before seeing a significant correction? Guys, first of all, look at the RSI and stochastic RSI. In general, whenever the RSI goes around this area over here at 85 to 90, you can actually see that once you're going to go to this area, as always, match with a significant correction with BTC. I'm not saying like, we're going to go down to 60,000, 70,000, but I really would like to urge you to be very careful, simply because you can see that in the past, we went to this area, we had a big correction, down to here, big correction. So right now, even from here, if we're going to go up to this area, then we could be seeing maybe correction down to here, maybe 85, 90K, something like that. And then, of course, continue to go higher if the economy is still holding up relatively well. And what it could be the reason, to see all of this? Well, the Trump inauguration, right? So lots of people are speculating right now that on the 20th of January, Donald Trump is going to be elected president, and therefore after that, it could be more like a buy the rumor, sell the news. So what lots of insiders and market makers, what they could try to do is to push the price up to this area, then of course have a more significant correction. And looking at this, guys, you can see that, in my opinion, could be following this diagonal support around this area. So a pump up to here, then down to this area here, and then maybe a continuation to the upside. I'm going to say maybe because I don't know what the future is going to hold us. Lots of people are saying we're going to go up now to 300K, 250K. I don't really care about this prediction. We are professional traders. We make money. We don't lose money. And I can tell you that I'm very conservative, and I would like to see Bitcoin reaching for this cycle maybe around 120 to 130K. And also, guys, what to expect for the next, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks with December, the Christmas rally, and all. Let me show you right now. I'm going to show you short term what I think could be happening with BTC and why I think that we could be seeing a top up to maybe 105, 110, and then have more of a significant correction. First of all, guys, you can see that right now Bitcoin is pretty much we have broken this very important channel over here. I've been very vocal about it, and right now we're pretty much fluctuating around here. So what we want to see right now is going to be BTC to be able to reclaim this channel over here, and if that is the case, we could be seeing a pump probably up to $106,000-$107,000 before having a more significant correction to the downside. But at the same time, I would like you to urge you to be very careful. That maybe might not be the case, and if you're not going to be able to go and of course reclaim this channel over here, there is a risk that BTC, what we could be doing, it could be actually going down first and then have a pump to the upside. And of course, lots of haters are going to tell me now, oh, but you're saying that you don't know where the price is going to go to. It's going to go up to here, it's going to go down to here. Well, that's, of course, a very ignorant statement, because I don't care if Bitcoin is going to go down to here or if it's going to go up to here, because I can tell you already that I'm going to short like crazy Bitcoin if you're going to go up to this area, and I'm going to long like crazy if you're going to go up to this area. So I don't really care. And also in a spot position, I bought at $17,000. So even if it goes down to here, I don't care, because I know it's going to go up to this way, and then of course I'm going to sell when it goes up to here. So that's already answered your question. But right now, of course, we have to be a little bit, I would say, patient. What is going to be very important as well is that we are breaking this. We're about to break this very important diagonal resistance. If that happens, that could be very positive for BTC. We could be seeing continuation to the upside. But again, also have a look at this channel over here. What is going to be very important, a determinant for the price to continue to go higher or to go lower, is going to be with the US economic news. So this week is going to be very important, guys. We're having today the manufacturing PMI, construction spending. It's all in relation to inflation. It's going to be very important. Tuesday, we're going to have jobs opening as well. So high job openings, it means the economy is strong. It means the Fed won't cut interest rates. Wednesday, we're going to have also factory orders, unemployment, but not very relevant. Thursday, initial jobless claims, very important. And Friday, US unemployment rate. That's going to be very important on Friday. The reason being is because if you're going to see a very high unemployment rate, let's say, for example, that we're going to see now from 4.18% unemployment rate, I can tell you the market is going to freak out and we could be seeing a more substantial correction. So that's why we have to be very, very careful. But you're going to see a unemployment rate still very low, with the Fed potentially cutting interest rates again, because now Donald Trump that wants to do so. Then that could be very positive for crypto, and it should be pushing the price to the upside. Also, another reason why I would say that Bitcoin could be having another correction down to here is also in relation to the Bitcoin dominance. In the next video I'm going to post, not this video, the next one, so subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm going to talk about Altseason and also the Bitcoin dominance. But right now you can see that what's happening right now with the Altseason is the fact that BTC, you can see from here, we had, I'm going to go on the monthly to show you a little bit better. On the monthly, you can see that in 2020, when Altseason started, we had a monthly engulfing candle on the 1st of Jan. Okay, the 1st of Jan, you can see this monthly engulfing candle. And right now, since 2021 in July, that's the first engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle you can see over here. You can see the black one covering the blue one. In general, this signifies a change, a macro change of trend, which means that if this is true, if you're going to be able to then break down this channel over here, and we're going to be able to go down and close down to here, then Altseason is going to start. The reason why I put also this blue channel over here, you can see from here, is the fact that, let's say, for instance, that Bitcoin is going to go to 120K. Now, the Christmas rally, typical rally where you see BTC crypto to go way higher. Let's say Bitcoin is going to go from now to 120K. One might assume that in order to do so, every investor will have to put all the money into Bitcoin. So, of course, altcoins are going to stall a little bit. Bitcoin is probably going to go and do one last push to the upside, reaching 70% dominance, and then the real Altseason is going to start. That's a hypothesis, right? But at the moment, what I'm trying to say is the fact that right now we have a bearish engulfing candle. And in general, what we could be seeing could be this movement like this. And if this is going to happen, guys, you're going to see a dominance going down to 47%. This should be matching with Bitcoin having a correction. So what I'm probably could expect could be something like this: Bitcoin pushing up to here, having a correction down to this area, as I said before, 85, 88. And when this happens, when you're going to see this happening, right, altcoins should go ballistic. That's what I want to see. And in the next video, I'm going to explain to you everything about altcoins, what to look for. But that's what I'm expecting. Bitcoin correcting, altcoins to go completely crazy. And in terms of time, really, it's repeating the same as 2020. And also, guys, talking about the Christmas rally, I'm going to show you something very crazy that's in general during Christmas, the market pumps like crazy. If you have a look actually from, I even say 2018. 2018, you can see 2 weeks chart around, we can actually have a look at here. December, it pumped. December to January, pumped. The market pumped. This was in 2019. 2018, January to March, the market pumped. Then we go 2020. I mean, can't even talk about this one. Crazy. Over here, that's probably the only one. The only one was in 2021 with the start of the bear market. We saw the market to go down from here. But again, 20th of December, January, we had a little bit of a pump here. 2022, we can see from here as well. Pump again. 2023, same thing. We had a pump. So in general, right, during Christmas time, people, they get their bonuses, so we should be seeing like one last pump to the upside before seeing a more significant correction, maybe something like this, maybe like this, drop down to this area, and then maybe a final blow off top to close the whole market cycles. And of course, guys, let me know in the comments, what do you think this is going to happen or not. Now, let's also have a look, guys, what's happening with the DXY and other indicators to tell us where we are in the cycle. Very important is going to be, first of all, is going to be Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, in my opinion, is about to break and to melt faces. You can see this beautiful cup and handle formation, or even inverted head and shoulder, with a target of roughly 7,000 to 7,500. I think that if ETH is going to continue, is going to break this very important resistance, we're going to see a total explosion. And look at how perfect this is. Like, from a chart point of view, you can see everything matching together. Ethereum, of course, is the queen of the altcoins. People don't understand that everything is built on Ethereum. Like, lots of things are built on Ethereum. One of the best, probably the best layer one. And I would say that this is going to go crazy. Like, and once this is going to go crazy, guys, official start of the alt season, we're going to see altcoins to go insane. So that's what I'm really waiting for, to really say alt season has started, to see Ethereum to break to the upside. And this is going to be insane. Next one, I want to show you why BTC is going to go potentially higher than what we are right now. Is going to be the DXY, dollar currency index, measure the strength of the US dollar compared to Japanese yen, euro, and all of that. You can see that right now we are pretty much into this beautiful channel, and the dollar is actually holding up very well because of Donald Trump. But at the same time, what I could be seeing could be this, could be something like this, and then one final capitulation to the downside. When this happens, guys, I'm expecting altcoins to go ballistic as well as Bitcoin. Maybe it could be at the end of the cycle, maybe starting, finishing around end of March or end of May 2025. And then when this happens, then I could be seeing a reversal to go to the upside again. And when this happens, guys, not good for stocks and crypto. The next one I want to show you as well, the US 2-year Treasury yield, really obvious head and shoulder from here. This is the fixed income Treasury bonds, where investors buy bonds to get like the 4.1%. And you probably understand that if right now with crypto you can make 20% a day, why would you put the money into fixed income? That's why we have formed what we call a head and shoulder with the 2 years. I've been predicting this for a long time. And right now we could be seeing a potential rejection down to here, going down to this area around 2.7 to 2.8%. And at this point over here, I'm expecting Bitcoin stocks to go crazy. But what is going to be very important, guys, is that once this happens, okay, once you're going to see this one going down here, once you see the DXY going down to here, I'm gonna go full cash. I'm gonna go full cash because I think that we are probably gonna be at the top of the cycle. Maybe not the exact top, but very, very close to the top. Because then after that, once everything is gonna be smashed, you have to be very, very careful. And the last one I want to show you guys as well, S&P 500. S&P 500, I think, is putting like a proper blow off top. It's very difficult to say what is going to be the real top. You can see that right now we have been pumping like there is no tomorrow. I could be seeing topping up at 6,300, could even be as high as 7,200. But really, the thing is, we are in an area right now where the risk to reward is actually getting smaller and smaller. So that's why I would be very, very careful to long right now. The best time to buy would have been when it was at 3,700 and not at 6,100. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please leave a comment. But otherwise, I'm releasing later on a video about altcoin season. And please let me know in the comments if you want me to analyze a coin for like the long term to show you with price prediction. Just let me know in the comment below. But otherwise, I wish you a great day, and I'm gonna see you soon.